Welcome back to my channel American Rev Reviews. Today we're diving into a forgotten gem from the early 80s, the 1983 Suzuki Swift SA130, a compact hatchback that became a surprising global success story. Even though it was small, lightweight, and extremely simple by modern standards, this little machine carried a big legacy and helped shape Suzuki's reputation as a maker of economical and reliable small cars. The 1983 Swift SA130 wasn't overloaded with tech or fancy features, but its charm came from its lightweight body, fuel-efficient engine options, and a design that made sense for everyday commuting at a time when buyers needed affordability more than anything else. The Swift SA130 arrived with a 1.3-liter inline-4 engine that produced modest power, but its true advantage was efficiency and durability. Drivers loved how easy it was to maintain, with straightforward mechanics and parts that were affordable and accessible. The lightweight body gave it great agility on city roads, making it perfect for daily driving, first-time car owners, and families looking to save money at the pump. Suzuki didn't aim to compete with luxury brands, the goal was practicality, and the SA130 absolutely delivered. Many owners praised its smooth ride quality and impressive fuel consumption, which was a major benefit during the fuel-conscious era of the 80s. Design-wise, the 1983 Swift SA130 showcased that classic boxy hatchback silhouette that defined its decade. It offered simple interiors yet surprisingly good space efficiency, with enough room for passengers and cargo despite its compact dimensions. Suzuki focused on maximizing usability, and buyers appreciated that everything felt straightforward, no unnecessary complications, just a car built to get the job done. Over the years, this model became a budget icon in several countries, even gaining a reputation among enthusiasts as a fun, modifiable platform thanks to its light chassis and responsive handling. Even today, collectors and vintage car fans remember the SA130 as a reliable, honest hatchback that symbolized an era when cars were simpler, more mechanical, and easier for owners to work on themselves. Its legacy continues as a reminder of Suzuki's philosophy of building smart, efficient vehicles that meet real-world needs. Whether you grew up seeing one in your neighborhood or are discovering it now, the 1983 Suzuki Swift SA130 remains a meaningful piece of automotive history, proving that even small cars can make a big impact.